want to talk about what is and should not be a secret, but not all durable powers of attorney are the same. So you often will see a 1-page or a 2-page document or a form document or something that's online, and you'll think, hey, this is a durable power of attorney. This is good. It's better than nothing. And that might be true. It might be better than nothing. It might avoid the court taking over the affairs of the incapacitated person. But is that good enough to protect your money, yourself, and your family? The answer is likely no. And I want to share with you that not all attorneys will understand the importance of a good, effective, durable power of attorney because they don't help clients who are facing incapacity or long-term care costs or a need to apply for government benefits such as Medicaid. If the attorney who drafted the document doesn't realize why certain provisions need to be placed into that document, they don't know what they don't know. Of course, they wouldn't include certain provisions that an estate planning and elder law attorney, somebody who prepares Medicaid applications, helps protect assets against long-term care, those types of provisions that we would include simply are not well known to an attorney that doesn't practice in the Medicaid area. So I'm not just talking about a generalist. A general practitioner knows a lot about a lot of things, but doesn't have that depth of knowledge. Even estate planning lawyers who don't practice elder law might not be aware of certain provisions, authority that should be included in that document to make sure that that's the best plan to protect assets. So I'll give you some examples in a little while about why a good, effective, durable power is needed. So no secret, make sure you get good legal advice. Don't use a form, don't use Google, unless what you're doing is you're Googling possible law firms for, hey, what do the clients say about them? If you are in a state different than Washington, I recommend that you go to the National Academy of Elder Law Attorneys. Their website is naela.org, and find an attorney who is an elder law attorney. The reason to do that in particular will be to make sure that you have protections in place under your durable power of attorney and your spouses so that you don't end up spending all of your money on long-term care costs.